jacket is.
It is. It's actually a full diamante corset and attached to a very flowy. What material is this, Rakesh?
Silk jersey.
It's silk jersey skirt, so it's attached to that, and it just flows. It's actually very comfortable.
मेरा फैशन बहुत सिंपल इजी गोइंग है, जो मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगता है वो मैं पहनती हूँ. और जब भी मैं बाहर फंक्शंस में जाती हूँ, नीता जी हैं, रॉकी एस है, वो मेरे अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो कोई भी ओकेजन्स के लिए वो मुझे अच्छे कपड़े भेजते हैं और मैं पहन के जाती हूँ.
बिल्कुल लाइक ही सेड द एटीट्यूड एंड मुझे लगता है जितनी भी औरतें हैं साड़ी पहनती हैं, दे लुक वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एंड आजकल हमने उसका फ्यूजन भी करना शुरू कर दिया है. बट आई थिंक साड़ी इज़ द मोस्ट एलिगेंट ड्रेप एवर एंड कॉस्ट्यूम एवर मेड फॉर एनी वुमन एवर.
I think it was a great show. Neeta ji was the best, and Rakesh Agarwal ka bhi, it's the first debut show, and I think he was brilliant. He did some good stuff. Neeta ji does a lot of stuff for the actresses that I choreographed.
Yes. Well, I'm also in a Neeta Lulla dress.
And she's done some pretty stuff for my wife too, Sunaina.
Yes.
So I'm here for her.
This is definitely a very diva-inspired collection of Rakesh's, even though I think a lot of his stuff are very diva-ish, but I'm a huge fan. I'm just so happy to be in your outfits all the time. He's always there to my rescue.
I think actress-wise, I would say Bipasha is very fashionable. Sonam Kapoor is extremely risk-taking, and she carries off everything really well as far as her wardrobe is concerned. And as far as guys are concerned, I would only go with Salman Bhai. I love what I'm wearing today, and her entire theme is romance, and so it's all very lacy nets and very elegant cuts. It's I would say dignity with a bit of sexiness to it, right? I wore a sari. I wore two saris this year at IFA, especially because it was in Canada. There's a lot of North Indian crowd, and also Papa was present, so I wanted to be a nice Indian girl. No, fashion is, I think, universal. Fashion is something that anyone has the right to be fashionable and to choose the wardrobe that they wish to wear. I believe in being very bindas and free in what I wear. I believe in being completely comfortable, and there are occasions that all girls want to look sexy and look nice, but everything has to be done with a tinge and a touch of dignity to it. So that's my school of thought, and I really enjoy wearing Neeta ji's outfits. As far as my wardrobe is concerned, I have very minimal choices in my wardrobe with jeans and t-shirts, but whenever there's an occasion, a function or something, I always give her a call, and within few hours there's this huge range of some really nice outfits that she sends to me, and I wear that and I go out there.